Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Reno11 F. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, just select all of your files to send. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!